I have blooms on my espalier apple tree that lost the fruit and the leaves. I think it was apple rust. How do I control apple rust on my apple tree? Don't know the variety. What should I spray and when? And this is John from Northern New York, Mr. D. So how does he control apple rust on his apple tree?
Fungicide applications, okay. Timely fungicide applications. If it's cedar apple rust, you can go out and cut down all the cedar trees from all the directions for several hundred miles, and you might take care of that. But if you follow the spray schedule according to the home orchard or trusty home orchard spray guide,
or check at your local extension office there in Northern New York. They may have a spray guide for you as well.
Yeah, sure. They will. I guarantee you they will. I'm sure they've got a home orchard spray guide up there. Cornell does that. I know they do.
Yeah, Cornell.
Yeah.
Right.
But down here in the South, we do a dormant spray with oil emulsion plus copper. That's a delayed dormant spray. Then at bud break, we spray with a fungicide Captan, and then at pink, and I'm going to show you what pink looks like. Yeah. That's pink.
Yeah.
Right there, first pink. That's when it's very important for controlling rust at that stage, and that's the reason I made a big point out of that.
Right.
But you'll want to include Immunox in your spray mix. Captan or Immunox, and it specifies in the notes here, if cedar apple rust has been a problem in the past, use Immunox in this spray mix. So you use Immunox plus malathion or S-fenvalerate for the insects. Right. And then you spray, and this is, and you're not going to hurt the pollinating insects then, because this is before it's busted open.
Okay, good. And
then go with your cover sprays when all the petals have fallen off. That's when you go back to, again, Immunox plus the malathion or one of the insecticides in your spray mix. Okay. This is a protective treatment, and when you apply the cover sprays, that's Immunox in our neck of the woods. Is what we recommend for rust diseases on apple trees.
Right. Are there rust-resistant varieties, or?
There are varieties that are not as susceptible to rust as others. Yeah, I know Golden Delicious is very susceptible to rust, but there are varieties that have some resistance. And I would, if you're starting an apple orchard, make sure that you try to get some varieties.
Family member.
Get some varieties that
need another tree.
That's right. Get some that's resistant to rust.
Yeah,
something that's resistant. I'm sure they again have that information in Cornell Extension. Sure.
That's right. That's right. And I've got 5 apple trees in my little orchard, and a couple of them are Golden Delicious, and they get covered up with rust every year because I have cedar trees everywhere, and I don't spray them.
Right.
Yeah. You know, do as I say, not as I do. When I retire, I'm going to start spraying my apple trees.
Okay.
But I have 2 or 3 varieties that don't have a problem with it.
Right.
So it's very, very important.
I
planted the Golden Delicious as pollinators without even looking, without even checking, because they're good pollinators for a lot of the other varieties. Okay. But there are pollinators out there that have resistance to rust, cedar apple rust.
Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.